I'm gonna set this up here. All right, man. Yeah, man, believe it or not, it happens quite frequently, man. You're not alone. You're not alone. There you go, there you go. I would charge you $200 if I came out on my own, you know what I mean? I'm just messing with you. Right. Like, hey man, you breaking in my car. What you used to do before this, bro? What you used to do before this? Nah, man, this is my first time ever having to break in cars, you know what I'm saying? I'm pretty good at it though. I'm pretty good at it. Hey, I got a side hustle, huh? I was thinking, man, I could probably sell this kit for $500. You know what I'm saying?
At this